Hello everybody, this is DSM. Today is Wednesday, October 17th, 2018. I just want to make a quick video and review the trades we had and tell you how to make money with a small account. Before I get into the trades, just want to share with you this quote from Jim Rogers. He says, I just wait until there is money lying in the corner and all I have to do is go over there and pick it up. I do absolutely nothing in the meantime. So, with that said, I'm just going to ask you, how about making 30% of your money in very short amount of time? So, as an example, last night, October 16, we had VTVT. This company came with a PR after hour about the result of their experiments or drugs. Anyway, I saw the stock moved. I jumped in, bought shares here at 320, and I was patient for the stock to correct, and I added to my position here at 340. The average price for me was 338. I gained 27% when the stock went to 428, and it just happened in less than 2-3 hours. So if you had $2,000 investment, which is not a lot of money to invest, you could make $600 in less than 3 hours. So if that's not enough, how about making 50% of your money? So as an example of this, we had ALT when I alerted in the chat room and I said I took a small short position at 940. My risk was 10. Price target is at 5. I made 45% in one of my position, 44% in another position when the stock crashed from 10 to 5 in less than 10 minutes. I have to say, I didn't cover my ALT position until it went to 4, which was around 52% gain. But at the time, I was taking picture from this chart, I was up 45% in less than 10 minutes. So if you have $2,000 investment, you could just make $1,000 in 10 minutes, which is 50% gain. So if that's not enough, how about 800% gain? Yeah, I know it's a big gain, but some people, they might say it's not gonna happen, it's impossible, but I just want to show you this example and tell you, even if you take some pieces of this move, you could make a lot of money in very short amount of time. YECO, October 17th, Wednesday 2018. This started from $2 and went to 17 and closed at 14. This is one day this company went supernova. So if you were in our chat room, you saw my alert when the stock was at 550. At 12:30 p.m., I alerted in our chat room when the stock was at $5, $5.50. I told people in our chat room it's gonna keep going and trap more shorts. Those who were shorting this stock, they got squeezed because they had to cover their position and buy the stock that they borrowed from their brokers, and that pushed the stock to go higher and higher. you might see this line, it's very steady and it didn't go back. But imagine when it was at 5, it went to 6, 650, 680, 7, 750, 8, 850, 10, 11, 12, 13. It was more than 100% gain. And then it started to consolidate. Late day, I announced this in our chat room. I said, guys, it's too late for this stock to crash. I think it will squeeze after hour and has one more shot tomorrow for breaking out high of the day. So we are still in Wednesday, October 17th. I have no idea what would happen tomorrow. My guess is, because it already went to 17, my guess is tomorrow after it gaps up a little bit, it touches this 17 and probably go to 19, 20 and then crash. But the point was, when I said that, the stock was at 950 and it started going up to 14, 15, 16 and 17. It was from $9 to $17. So you guess you could capture just 100% of this move. So if you invested $2,000 in any of these two moves, you could make $2,000 extra as your profit for 100% gain. Not 800%, not 500%. I'm just talking about 100% gain in 2 hours, in less than an hour. So if that's not enough, I don't know other ways to help you or tell you to grow your account and make a lot of money with very, very, very low investment. So with that said, you have to learn how to trade. You have to learn these techniques from those who invested their time and life and studied the market. So our process is very, very, very simple. First, we teach you the basics of trading. Then we help you and we trade with you, basically by sharing our screen, and you can see our trades to help you, walk you through this process. Because if you never traded before, it's very I would say very hard for new people to pull the trigger and trust their trading plan. So for that reason, we are with you and you see our trades, you get you develop your trading confidence and trading confidence. Then after that, you become a self-sufficient pro trader and you get going from there. So in our chat room, you can get our alerts on your cell phone, or you can join our chat room with, from your desktop and see other traders, what they are doing. So for that, I just encourage you to go to dailystockmoney.com and take advantage of our deals. We have 40% discount and very, very, very low priced subscription fee for this month, and we will increase the price early November because we are going to launch other services. If you take that deal today, you can save a lot of money and you get access to the new services that we are going to launch very soon. So subscribe today, and if you have any questions, you can find me at Daily Stock Money at Twitter, and or you can email me at dsm@dailystockmoney.com. So that was it for today. We will see what market would offer tomorrow. See you everybody in the chat room. Keep it up, keep killing it, make more money. Have a good night. Bye.